So, hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. And today is, for continuing lang tayo dun sa ating part 1 na Getting to Know Me More. Okay? Meron ako dito mga question that possible na yung question nyo once na, andito kayo sa channel ko, diba? So, meron ako ditong 15 question. And itong question natin is dito sa phone. And mga English question. Tapos, answer natin. So, let's start. And 1, 2, 3, 1. Whom did you last say I love you? Siyempre, yung parents natin, no? Question number 2. Most annoying people or person in your life? Maybe my second ate. Relationship status? Single. Favorite color? For now, my favorite color is blue. That will represent our fandom. And number 5. What do you regret the most? Siguro yung medyo yung pagkamahiyain ko, no, yung pinagsisihan ko. Who was the last person you had deep conversation with? Si mama at si ate ko. And do you wanna get married? I don't know. Are you afraid of the dark? Hindi. Yung nga yung pinaka-paborito ko, yung madilim. Yung mag-isa ka lang na doon mo ma-imagine yung sadness, gano'n. Then, do you play in sports? Dati, no, I play basketball, badminton, volleyball. And, yun. And number 10, do you like someone now? Wala. 11, have you ever had a physical fight? Physical fight? Wala akong physical fight na sa akin. Nung high school ako, meron akong kaaway pero hindi siya physical, kundi mouth lang. Through mouth lang yung away. Hindi naman siya away na sobrang talaga, hindi. Food you will never eat. Siguro yung may poison food. Siyempre. At gusto kong kumain kasi siguro ako mataba. Ngayon, is kaya na ko ng kain. No? What time do you usually go to bed? Sa ngayon, magdamag tayong gising. Charot. Hindi, lang. Depende kapag inantok na yung mata ko, doon ako tutulog. Ito yung pinaka-last question is, do you have anyone hate right now? Hate right now? So ngayon, wala naman ako hate na person ngayon. So, yun pong ating question.